Right, guys, let's go for a walk as we were cleaning half of the day and we need some fresh air. Good morning. It's currently 5 a.m. I was supposed to wake up at 7, but here we are, 5:50 in the morning, wide awake. I have quite a lot to do today, so I guess this is what my body is doing to me. Just not let me sleep it out. Let's start that day at 5 a.m. in the morning. But yeah, it is what it is. And we will definitely learn. I need to have like 2 coffees before I start that day. We're going to do my nails because these ones are really, really long. I still don't know what to do. I have some pictures, but I'm really indecisive if we're talking about my nails. I wanted to do some red tape and I found a nice inspo for them like that. Let's see what's gonna happen. I think I'm just gonna give her the ideas I screenshot and maybe let her do whatever she thinks she's the best. I actually want to go to Boots today and see like a new skincare product. I really want to try the Bioma one. Because I've seen it everywhere online, everywhere possible. So obviously I need to be this person who have to try as well. Also, recently I had a problem with my earrings. They like growing into my skin, and I'm moving them constantly. I only have 2 each side, and they have quite a lot of space. But I don't know, should I like wash them out frequently, or did you guys have that situation before? Please let me know in the comments. What you can see on my list. We have quite a lot to do, but I'm gonna take like a half an hour and read my book just to wake up a little bit. And then we're gonna start the day. Still trying to go through the same book. It just doesn't go well with me. This is such a life hack, so I don't have to put the big light or the yellow light on, I can just put my light ring into the book. Lovely, amazing. Learn, guys. So that was really busy morning. I had a coffee, had a soup. I done my makeup. It took me like a long time, but you can see a short from that. And it's probably already on the channel by the time you're seeing this. And now we're just going to pick up the wedding dress. I hope this one fits, because the previous one had like a hanging material, which was just hideous. And then we go in to the other town to see my mother, and we're gonna go to the cinema as a Valentine, hang out with her. We're gonna go for Bob Marley movie, as she loves it, and she's actually going to Jamaica in October, so maybe she's gonna let me share some pictures and videos of like spots and hangout spots and restaurants and food. We'll see, we ask her later. But yeah, so I'm going to do my nails now, and I will see you later. Bye. We just talk about Primark for a second. We were there with my mom today. Why are the prices so high? I mean, high for Primark, high. A trench coat, almost £40, with not like even a heavy, nice material. Lunch sets, £25. What is going on? Even like, you know, the sets of underwear, £8. I don't understand. Anyway, I came back home now, so I'm just gonna unpack everything and then head to sleep, because tomorrow is a normal working day and it's been a very busy couple days, so I just want to rest. Making some pasta. I'm gonna have a quick pesto and the tea, and I'm just gonna relax for today. That's it. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.